Hello guys, today we are going to be learn how to install Ollama and use the Ollama locally so that we can learn about generative AI, agentic things, and we can do a lot. Okay, so how to install it? You just need to click on this by just going on to the Ollama website. Okay, once you're done with that, simply come here and paste the URL so it will do all the necessary thing to install it. So I'm not gonna do because I already have. Okay, if you wanted to pull the Ollama models, you can simply do like Ollama pull and you can select the models. If you wanted to know about the models, you can simply come to this, like you just need to click on models and you will just get all the models here. Okay, so I already have a lot of models, so I'm not gonna install anything. I will show you the list of models. This is the models I have. So let's use one model as a context. Okay, and let me ask one query. What is your name? So as you can see, the moment I run, it executed the query, and the good part is it's generated 43 tokens per second, which is quite good for us.